Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I've been having a lot of fun this season doing holiday shopping and sharing some of the fun boxes, subscription boxes and bags that I'm getting. So today I happen to have my Ipsy Glam Bag. So I decided I'm going to share it separately from the boxycharm. So this will be a short, sweet video. But anyway, let's get to it. Okay, friends, I want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. Thank you to my subscribers. Those of you who would like to subscribe, hit the like button, follow my channel, and do those things to support my channel, I would love it. And if you wish. And so let's see what this bag's all about. Now, I usually look at spoilers and stuff, but I didn't really this time. So I'm going to be surprised with everyone else. But the bag, when I saw the bag, I thought, oh my gosh, that bag is so, so cute. But now that I'm seeing it in person, it's just okay. I love the red bow. It's kind of a coral pink color, which I like. I like the satin with the gold. So I guess it's not bad. I don't know. It just looked a little different than I expected. Inside, it's got red and white stripes. So it is cute. So anyway, there's the bag. So I've got 5 things in here. And we're going to get started with a really teeny tiny thing. Now, I know this is with Ipsy, you know, with the Glam Bags, you usually just get samples. Sometimes you get a full size. But this is Toy Factory Dream Set. And it looks like it is a highlighter. I don't love, you guys, I don't love, I don't even know if I'm going to open it because it looks hard. And this might work good in some of it to put in one of the gift bags I'm giving out. And we're going to see what's in here. They make it hard here. So it's really, really tiny. You know what? I don't even know. It might be, let me see. I thought it was a highlighter, but it might just be an eyeshadow. It's a highlighter in Alicia. I don't think I've ever had a highlighter this small. It looks more like an eyeshadow, which it could actually, now that I'm looking at this, I kind of like it for an eyeshadow. It would just be a really good, you know how I like to put these, now I own it. I like to put these in just a little bit on my lid. Let's see. So it's a highlighter turned eyeshadow. So that's my first thing. I can always turn something into something I like if I try real hard. So that's the first item. The next item I have here that I'm pulling out, I'm just going to pull out as we go. This looks like a, bigger item. You know what this is? A perfume. And I haven't heard of it. I'm excited. I've been kind of getting into scents lately. So this is called... It's by Catherine Maldonado. I know, did I mess up her name? Let me see here. Malandrino, I think, Catherine. I mean, I've heard of her. Anyway, wasn't sure how to pronounce. But anyway, it's called Mystere Fragrance. It's got a really pretty container here. And it looks like it's the purse size, which is pretty decent size. 30 milliliters. So anyway, there's that. Now we're going to smell it. I don't have any perfume on right now, so I'm just going to spray it. Oh, it's pretty. It's pretty. Let's see what it's got. Let's see what It's sweet, complex, and sophisticated. The secret is giving cutesy and demure vibes. I get that. The first sniff is bursting with fresh and fruity notes from orange. Oh, I like that. apricot, peach, and green apple that bloom into botanical garden with hints of peony, violet, and deep rose. A warm and creamy blend of caramel, rich tonka, musk, and cedarwood wraps you up in this crazy finish. Okay, I get it. I get it. That's what it is. And it's actually pretty good. It's definitely one I'll use. So I'm excited. I love this size. They tend to last quite a while. So anyway, I'm excited about that. So that was a decent first item in here. Not first, second item. So anyway, there's the second thing. The third thing we have here is from, let's see, this is a Glacial body lotion from Nina Skincare. So it's just a body lotion. I don't think, does it have, is it, let me see if it's, yeah, it's sealed, so I'm not going to open it, but it's just a deluxe sample size. Not a bad size, but anyway, there we go. There's that. Good travel size. So that's our third item. The fourth item I have in here is by Tarte, and it's Amazonian Clay. It's a blush. My favorite, some of my favorite blushes. They bake this Amazonian clay, and it has really good lasting power. You know how a lot of blushes will wear off with time, and this is a good one that has more staying power. So I'm excited about this. It's just a little more of a sample size, but I've used these. I've used these till they hit pan, you know, underneath, because these are really good. I'm going to see if I can touch up my blush. I don't know if I have a brush that's going to work right here. I have this one. It's not really a great blush brush, but I'll try it. Let's see. Okay, so anyway, there's that. Love Tarte, love this product, so I'm happy with that. And then, so the last thing we have in here, the fifth thing we have is, let's see what we got. I didn't even pull out the card yet. It's stuck in here too. The fifth thing I have is from Perlice Beauty, and this is a vitamin C. It's a tinted moisturizer. They call it a strawberry, let's see here. Sheer Glow Strawberry Vitamin C Tinted Moisturizer in light medium, which works for me. So I can't complain with that. I like Perlice, some of the Perlice products. So anyway, that's not a bad product. So there we go. Here's our card that shows all of our items. If you want to take a look at that. So that's what we got in the bag. So $16 bag. And so this was fun. It was probably worth it just for the perfume, because I really like the perfume. That's great. And so they have the perfume. Excuse me. Amazonian Clay blush. I don't know. It's in there. So there's the second thing. I got the Perlice tinted moisturizer. I got the highlighter that I quickly turned into a eyeshadow. So there's that. And then I got the body moisturizer. So anyway, there's that. So not bad, in a cute little bag. Happy December. So I do really like Ipsy Glam Bags. Tell me what you think about the Glam Bag. Do you think it's worth it? I think part of one of the reasons why I love the element of surprise. So, and we definitely get that with these, because you don't really know what's coming unless I guess you can check spoilers and know ahead of time a little bit. But you never really know what you're getting. So anyway, this wasn't a bad mix. Another bag that I was pretty happy with. So anyway, there's that. Let me know what you think. And I really appreciate you guys' support. I'd love if you, once again, subscribe, help support my channel. And thank you for being here. And I will see you in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.